Doing some more exhaust today. Marking out the, we're going to merge 2 to 1. So just going to cut these. Got to cut these evenly, make it 3-inch still, so that when I butt up the exhaust to it, it'll all merge nicely and we'll be able to weld it. And yeah, it's kind of goes something like that. And this over yonder, we'll show you some more. He's also got Vibrant race mufflers, 2 of them, and those guys, and a Vibrant stainless steel resonator as well. Just getting back to filming some of the exhaust. I just tacked everything in and fitted everything, so I'm gonna pull it all out and weld it all up. But I'll give you guys a little peek before I weld everything up and show you how it all fit in there. And so we used Vibrant 2-bolt flanges on the exhaust that made it up with his headers. And then Jordan supplied us with race mufflers from Vibrant, 1 per bank, and ultra quiet stainless steel resonator from Vibrant as well. That's the merge I showed you guys already. That's it in the car now, so you have an idea of how it all fit in. And then, yeah, the exhaust mates up to his ISR dual tip exhaust.
up guys, it's Nelson here, Milkman, what do you want to call me? There's my car, it's on the hoist. It's a bit dickered, buddy.
We don't talk like that here, man.
And then Wizard Andrew, what's the job on this one?
Shortening your downpipe.
Shortening the downpipe. Why is that?
Because you like low cars.
So I like low cars. Brand new downpipe, sale. 300 bucks, I know what I have. So we're just gonna shorten this downpipe up a little bit. Tuck it up so I don't pop holes in my downpipe. Putting the mid pipe on, or the mid section. And then throwing the blast pipes back on. We'll struggle over here, Uncle Joe.
Holy fuck, man, get that camera on my face. Let's go look at it.
Right,
Let's go look at it.
Keep going, did it? It doesn't work. It is a rotary, so.
Well, it looks pretty then.
Yeah, that's about all it does.
If it's not gonna work, at least it looks pretty.
That's all it does. Shout out Moist Boys.
Dude, get that sheet cam.